The Apple Extension System. The platform-level mechanism announced at WWDC 2026 that lets users route specific tasks and prompts from Apple Intelligence to third-party AI providers, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and others, through a developer-registerable API and an OS-level user choice UI. In the next few minutes, we cover what extensions actually is, the developer-side API, the user-side experience, and why Apple positioning as the routing platform is a strategic choice. Let us get started. Let us start with the core idea behind Apple's extension system. Here are the essentials of Apple's extension system in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Extensions is built into iOS 27, iPadOS 27, macOS 27, not an app. Users invoke the Search or Ask panel from anywhere. The extension routes the prompt to the chosen AI provider. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, and any other AI provider can register their model as an extension via a developer API. The registration includes capability descriptions, trigger configurations, and privacy disclosures. Users see installed extensions and configure per task defaults, Claude for coding, ChatGPT for writing, Gemini for research, or single default for everything if preferred. Extensions registration is lighter touch than App Store review. Apple's design assumption is that third-party AI providers should compete on capability, not be gated by editorial approval. Now let us look at why Apple's extensions system matters in practice. Here is where Apple's extension system shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Being available as an extension is the new App Store moment. Friction of getting into the user's routing list matters as much as benchmark scores. AI providers will invest heavily in extension presence. Until extensions, consumer AI had vendor lock-in via app installation and habit. Extensions makes model choice a system-wide user setting. The market dynamic flips immediately on iOS 27 ship. CORP or 8-owned iPhones need MDM controls over which extensions employees can use. Same logic as browser extension management. Expect rapid Jamf and Intune support. Each extension is a path to a third-party server. Apple's per-extension privacy disclosures will define how users actually exercise the choice. Disclosure quality determines adoption patterns. Let us recap the key takeaways on Apple's extension system and what to do next. Built into iOS 27, iPadOS 27, macOS 27. Lighter touch than App Store review. Claude for coding, ChatGPT for writing, Gemini for research. Routing list friction matters as much as benchmarks. That is the Apple extension system in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more platform AI breakdowns. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.